Here is how to auto-generate captions. So I'm going to be using a software or an app called CapCut. Now this is the exact same for the PC version as well. So go ahead and launch the CapCut app. And then from here you want to choose an existing project or create a new project. So I'm going to go ahead and choose an old video. Then I can open up the project. Now from here, on the bottom, you're going to see a button called Captions. Click on that. And then auto captions should immediately pop up. If it doesn't, you should see an option for it. Now, you can choose one of these texts. So the diamonds are for premium users only. So if you bought the premium version of CapCut, you can use those. But the ones without it are free. And on the bottom, you see it says I have 6 uses left. So that's how many uses I get with this account. So click on generate, and then wait for it to generate. And once it's done, you're going to see the captions will be on the screen and they will match my words perfectly. Now it says captions generated, and you can see all the captions and you can see the message right there.